Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, and with popular features. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2014 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor. Come see the car for yourself.